That's two. I got the highway pegs on there, man. I got that. What the jigsaw? What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another beautiful freaking evening on this channel. If you don't know me, I am Baked, and I'm just your normal everyday motovlogger. Today we got me on the FZ, obviously, and we got the boy on the Sportster right there, looking sexy in his new helmet. Sheesh. Bro got the showy, I don't even know which model he got, but that thing is nice, bro. Has like a pin lock visor. Yeah, $800 though. Holy frick. But anyways, we're heading to the Ruin Culture meet right now. It's in Lawrenceville, so it's about a 30-minute drive for us, but it's just on the highway all the way there, unfortunately. But I mean, I would rather have back roads, but at least we get there faster, you know, so who cares? But yeah, no collaboration meet today, just a normal Ruin Culture meet, but the weather's good and it's warm, so there's still gonna be a lot of people out. So I'm excited to see who's there. I finally got the freaking titanium block for the back of my bike, even though I can't even scrape yet. But I got it for the crash cage, for the 12 bar. Freaking, what was it, $50 for the little block. But yo, don't touch me, bro. What the throttle lock? I got cruise control on that brother mobile. Lean, boy! Lean! Turn that thing. You need alignment, boy. That's funny. I didn't even know we had that. Slow from a dig. Nah, slow taking off at 60, I know that much. Make sure we're not getting followed by the cops or nothing. Pull my freaking t-shirt down, bro, god dang. Tuck that thing in. Just like when you get a bone. Bro got the highway pegs on there, man, I got that too. Yeah, boy. Brother. Yo, we got a house on the road. Okay. Good lord. Ah! Gotta hold on so tight. Tight. I'm tired of this, man, bro. That's too damn bad. You don't keep riding. Oh yeah, I also got new fork seals on this thing. Looks like they are already freaking blown, bruh. Oh, what the crap. Bro, what the frick? Are these actually already blown, bro? I'm gonna be so mad. Cause I ordered them from Cycle Gear and there's some off-brand ones, and I was like, well, guess I shouldn't have bought those, but what the f, dude? Really? I'm trying to get my money back. Literally blew within the day. God dang it. Holy potholes, good lord. Gotta love Georgia roads. Ninja 400. I've seen that guy around a lot. I recognize the red and black. Pull up to the meet, bro. Come on. Why the frick? All my forks is already blown. God. Yeah, we're low-key late as crap to this meet, so I hope people are still there. And it goes on till 10, so guess we'll see. We're exiting right here, buddy boy. Yeah, that's what I thought, son. Get over. Oh, I also put a new headlight in, so it's probably actually bright now. Get over, get over, get over. You told me to lead, bro, then you're gonna pass me? Okay. Woo! Nice freaking Mustang. I'll catch up with you in a second. That's not even where it's at.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's in another 2 miles. Bruh, these are already freaking blown.
What?
My fork seals.
No, no.
What the frick, bro? Why did they give me those crappy freaking things? I paid like $60 for that crap.
I'll go back and beat on it for it.
Huh?
I said, I'll go back and beat on it.
Yeah. I don't know if they'll let me, but guess we'll see. Yo, got the tuner squad. Uh-oh. Don't tell me we're already getting shut down. I don't know. Got cops right there. Oh, I think that's just a... What the jigsaw? Oh, bro's getting pulled over? Maybe? I don't know where we're freaking going, bro. The meat's not supposed to be up here, or it's supposed to be up here on the right. We got some bikers right here in front of us, so guess we're about to find out. We got the FZ09. Heck yeah. Bro, is everybody leaving? What the frick? Trying to figure out where this cop's actually supposed to be. Oh, there's a cop. Bro, there's cars and bikes everywhere. What is going on? I don't even know where this crap's at. What the crap? More bikes. Cops up there. Trying to find a U-turn, I guess. Okay, bro. Hold on, we gonna pull into here real quick. Looks like it already got shut down, bro.
I've never seen so many cops.
Me neither, bro.
I thought he was chasing down the other guy.
It's right at the next light, but let me check my freaking story. I don't even know if that was him, but yeah, I saw that.
That red FZ09 next to you, that was nice as fuck.
I know, I heard it, bro. It sounds good. Bro. Stand by. Freaking cops. Let's go to that QT.
Alright. I ain't going back though, man. I ain't going back to jail.
Oh wait, is this? This ain't ready, is it?
No, that's a Harley. I don't think they really care that much.
You want to go to QT or not?
Yeah, we can.
Okay. Watch out, there's a car. There he goes. Alright, we're gonna go back to that QT and see what the frick is going on, cause Everybody's leaving. And I am not doing any wheelies over there, bruh. Little kid tapped his head too. No, buddy, I was telling you there's a cop. Not that, what the frick is going on, bruh? Guess we going to see what's going on or something. Uh-oh, somebody broke down too. Nice freaking S1K right there, bruh. So, somebody getting arrested, bruh? Holy cops. What the frick is going on, bruh? Why is there so many cops everywhere? And bikes and cars, and yeah, safe to say the meat got scattered, bro. There's a whole crowd of people over there with all the cops. Yo, that guy's getting pulled over. That guy's getting pulled over.
Which bike?
The white one.
The R6?
What the frick? He had a plate too.
What?
Let's just go back. I ain't trying to deal with all this tonight.
Well, I've never seen so many cops.
Me neither, bro. Holy crap. Alright, let's just go back. Yeah. Holy crap, bro. Everybody's getting pulled over today. I literally just watched that dude get pulled over. What the crap? A stretched R6S. Are we dead ass? What the frick, bro? They pulling over everybody, big dog. Bro, they pulling everybody over. We just watched that dude turn out of the gas station and he got pulled over immediately. I mean, I don't know. We're trying to go to Ruin Culture.
Yeah, what are we doing now?
I'm going back home, bro. I ain't dealing with all this tonight. A stretched R6S though is crazy, bro. You already know that thing is not fast. I had one of those. Holy crap show. Whee! Yeah, we're just gonna call boys and go back home. I'm not trying to get arrested tonight. Or at least not even get pulled over, bro, because I mean my bike's legal, but I ain't trying to deal with all that. We got a R6 boy with us. It's gonna gap the crap out of us. Bro, what the frig is going on? No more Ruin Culture meat. Dang, I've never seen it get shut down that fast. I guess we are an hour and a half away, but... oh well. Guess we're going back home now. That sucks. Yeah, I'm not waiting like for them to move the meat 20 times. I've been through that before. And it ain't fun. Oh, I saw some bikers over there. I forgot to wave. Whee! Oh well, boys. We'll get them next time. Maybe we'll go to Loud Culture. Well, Freight. That's not on Friday. It's on Sunday this time. Maybe we'll go to that. Who knows? Okay. That was crazy, bro. What the? That was like a GTA lobby. There's just freaking tuner cars and bikes and cops everywhere. People getting pulled over. Yeah. I still see people heading towards that way, bro. No, turn back. And there's another cop coming towards the scene. That's crazy. God, these freaking fork seals, bro. Yay, sick Mini Cooper.
I can't believe I'm doing a stretch and lower R6.
That thing is so slow, bro. It's an R6S too. I know.
Like the gen before yours.
Well, no, it's like the blue one I had. It's the same one. Bro's not racing that. Yeah, he's right. Breaking bro's neck. Gang, gang. Sick little Mini Cooper. I would drive one of those if they weren't such pieces of crap, bro. It'd be fun. Random Grom on us. Did not even notice him. Thing is so quiet. I know, bro. I looked at him already. Yay, get over for us. Thank you. Oh wait, I forgot the Grom can't even go this fast. Ah! Sorry, bro. Bro's struggling in the left lane. My bad, broski. Oh, just some freaking Latina mommy. I mean, I do it.